What's up, guys? I was at Home Depot the other day. They had these in the wrong spot. These normally go for 30 bucks at Home Depot. I got the thing for $6. They had them in the wrong spot. I should have grabbed every one of them, but I didn't. There's the number. It's one of them butane soldering kits, and it's a pretty nice kit. I was going to buy the Dremel one to match my Dremel one that I have, and it was like 40 bucks. So I've been keeping an eye on it, and I went up to Home Depot one day, and boom, there it was, sitting in the wrong spot for $6. And they have to give it to you for the price that it's sitting. And it was funny, the $6 thing had the same name on there, so they had to give it to me for the price. So I wish I'd have bought every one. They had 3 of them, but I didn't. So, but this is made in Taiwan. I haven't got to use this yet. Most of you guys know they're great for heat shrinking stuff, and maybe doing some little bit of soldering, not no major soldering. So, but it is a nice little kit, and I've been waiting for it, and I got one for $6, so I couldn't beat that. So, but I had to share it with you guys. So, like, share, subscribe, guys. Until the next time, this is the soldering kit, the gas soldering kit, soldering iron kit. Until the next time, guys, like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.